Hello there. So how to complete your KYC verification on Funding Pips application. So log into your account, visit fundingpips.com, and sign into your dashboard. Once you're going to be in there, access the KYC section. Click on your profile logo and account settings, and there you can find the KYC verification. Step number 3, upload an ID document. So this differs from country to country. So on my end, that would be a valid government issued ID. Again, that would be the Philippine government because I'm the Philippines. So it may be differ on your area on what you're requesting. So some of the most popular ones will be passport, driver's license, and national ID. Make sure the image is clear in color. So the key here would be a good camera. Step number 4, that would be upload proof of address. Recently, utility bill for electric or water, bank statement, or government letter. So dated within the last 3 months for this one. The main priority for that one would be your name and address must match your account info. Step number 5, submit a selfie. Take a live selfie uploading a photo holding your document and ID. That is if asked, okay? And basically wait for verification after 1 business day. And that should do it.